Thank you so much, Caesar. I can see the other ambassadors are really nodding as you are talking. So you are talking to them also. Can we now go to Northwest? I've got two speakers, Yusuf and Tshepi.
Good afternoon, Minister Zulu, Deputy Minister Bukhopane, Program Director, fellow ambassadors, all and the media, all protocol observed. My name is Tshepi LiveZoomSABC, and I am the current Northwest Children's Parliament Ambassador. And I'd like to thank the opportunity, the Department of Social Development, for this opportunity. And I would like also to wish all the children a happy International Children's Day. The COVID-19 pandemic came as a surprise to all of us. Governments, schools, hospitals, parents, and teachers, and us as students and children, no one was ready to face such chaos. This pandemic has taken a toll on us. Physically, be it physically, emotionally, mentally, and financially. Online schooling has its advantages and disadvantages. The positive side is that a learner is able to access more info on a particular topic and tend to have more time on their hands as they make their own timetables and adhere to them because they are motivated enough to communicate because they communicate with their teacher. On the other side, the downside is that not everyone is able or affords to buy data on a regular basis. And not everyone has access to laptops or smartphones. Online teaching also promotes procrastination, hence they accumulate a lot of pressure in finishing their schoolwork as they think that they have time, but they don't. Learners who aren't self-motivated, that need a face-to-face interaction with their teachers, aren't able to do so at this stage, causing them to be demotivated and putting them at a huge disadvantage. I suggest that all districts in all provinces have a resource center where children whose parents cannot afford to buy data can go and access and be positive to online schooling. Our minds are already used to being wild and free. Roaming around and interacting with friends, be it at home or at schools, was part of our daily lives. The lockdown has restricted us and limited us to our yards. We can't visit our own friends, and it's like we can't visit our own friends. And as we do this has had a bad impact on our mental development, as human interaction is very vital for us at this age. Video calling and other forms of communication isn't available for every household, making contact almost impossible.